Day 2, May 27th, Day of Rest. Sundays are busy mornings for a worship leader like me. You're getting songs ready as well as getting your heart ready. Oh, and a shower too. This morning was no different, but there was one family member who was at bedside assembly all day. Not my wife, silly, Middie. Still no response to the now famous two-scroll wheel salute. She emits a faint, high-pitched sound, likely the sound of a Model 3 sleeping soundly. I didn't bother Tesla with a call today. I like to allow others to rest on Sundays. I have my faithful 2001 PT Cruiser at the ready to take us to service. And I'm not leaving her plugged in. Last telemetry received yesterday showed 205 miles of range. Plenty for the very slow drain this car is experiencing at the moment. But I still wanted to spend time with Middie after church. I had an additional USB-C cable I purchased from Tesla back when they were putting micro USB cables in early cars. I installed it to replace the lightning cable I'll never use, and before you get ideas, I already promised to swap the lightning cable with someone else. While it is a holiday tomorrow, I will be calling Tesla support to line up a tech visit for Tuesday morning. My hope is the tech says the famous phrase, "Well, there's your problem," and then offers a quick fix. Who knows? Maybe I was one of the first to get the ABS patch, hopefully preventing others from running into a similar death grip situation. Or maybe it was that GM Voltec charger getting some sweet revenge. In any case, it was a full day of rest. I love Sundays.